Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee and we are back with another video. In this video I will be showing you how I do a sleek low bun. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting on some freshly washed hair. I just did a DIY hot oil treatment, and if you want to see how I accomplished that, definitely check out the video that I will put the thumbnail for right here, and also check it out in the description box down below, and I will also put it up in the cards so that you can watch it after this video. So I have my hair in 4 sections. You see 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th section right here. And then this is where I kind of want the parts to be slick from. Quite a coincidence. I didn't actually think of this from before, but I just ended up parting my hair like this, and this is how I really want it to go. So what I will do is first put in some leave-in conditioner and put in some oil so that that moisture is sealed, and once that is done I will be back to show you how I sleek down my hair. Alright guys, so this is my hair oiled. I had put some wild growth oil in my hair, like along the scalp areas, so that was that. And now we're going to get down into slicking down the hair. So I'm gonna start on the back section right here, just taking it down. And then what I'm gonna do is take this Shine and Jam gel, and I am going to take about this much at first, you know, to kind of get it on the hair, and then if I need more I will take more. So I am putting it on the top and brushing it down. I will show a better example of what I mean when I reach these sections. And then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush the area. Then I'm just gonna secure it with a scrunchie. So that part is nice and slick. And I'm gonna show you what I mean now. So I'm gonna take this part, since you can see it better over here. So like how my hair is right now, I think I'm gonna make a cleaner part just to be on the safe side. Let me undo this section as well, and I will just like make a cleaner part. I love my side parts, so that's what I'm doing. And that is about it, and I will twist up this section again so that it doesn't get tangled and that it also doesn't go into any other section. Then, just like what I did for the back, I'm going to take some of the jam or the gel, and I am just going to go along on the outside of the hair. And just like brush it down. So I'm just gonna do it along the back, like along the top of the hair, everywhere, so that's as sleek as possible. See how it's sleek already? And then I'm just gonna brush it down to make it better. And that's that. And then I am going to remove the scrunchie that I have around the back.
A few inches later.
And I am just going to tie it around the back. And that's what I'm going to be doing for the remaining sections.
Your fun can you find another scum boy and keep them in your hand now? Delete the chatting records, PYQ for 3 days on now. Hey, do you really like me? Tryna get closer, see, but that's just your camouflage like that. Knowing you lie, spend the lonely night, better to play games right. Even teammates like me more than you did.
Okay guys, so this is the finished result. As you can see, it's quite slick, as I expected from the gel that I used. And don't worry about this white part, it's just a leave-in conditioner. Hopefully that will dry. And I went ahead and just did this bun. You can leave it out as a puff, or you can do it in a messy bun, or a bun like what I did. And yes guys, I know this was a very short video, but I just wanted to show how I did my sleek bun. So if you guys liked this video, definitely hit the like button, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And make sure to share this video with a friend, a natural, a family member, anyone who may be interested in this video. And don't forget to like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.